Ikaw, din tayo magiguntingan? Din tayo magigunting hair ni mo? Hindi pa guntingan ng hair, ha? Din mo igunting? Dara? Then, magli ka na iya. Oh, si ate, very good on nanilhig.
Mommy, my peoples are hungry.
Because you get stomach acid that digests our food. You have to eat na. More pa? Ito dito, may bread dito. You wanna drink bread with Milo?
No.
What? Chocolate? Chocolate only?
With
Hingi.
my wolf.
Chocolate with Milo?
Yeah.
Nagli naman na yung hair. Diba? Amo na yung may gunting, ha?
Yep.
Hindi pa guntingan ng hair.
Mommy, I want chocolate and my wolf.
Milo with water?
No, chocolate and my wolf.
Ano ba yan? Ari pa diri te ha? Oh, may ari pa diri mga slime, oh. Siligan eh.
Siya, tawangan si ate.
Uy.